Good morning, children. Welcome to Social Class Standard 9th Geography Unit 6 Man and Environment. Environment is a set of relationships between man and nature. Man has survived through the ages, dwelling within his surrounding called the environment. The word environment is derived from the French word environ, meaning encircled or surrounded. Environment includes both living biotic, non-living abiotic components. Man and environment. Early man depended entirely on nature for food, clothing and shelter. Man has enjoyed a dominant position over the other living organisms around him because of his erect posture, hands, and intelligence. From the Paleolithic period to Neolithic period, man has invented and developed the wheel, fire, tools, and patterns of agriculture and housing to his comfort, which lead him to improve the standard of living, making himself technologically advanced. Thus, modern man modified the environment where multiplied his numbers to increase population and has always extended its territories, leading to the exploitation of natural resources. Next, discuss the topic classification of environment. Environment is generally classified as natural environment, human environment, and man-made environment. Natural environment. Earlier, we have learnt about the natural components of environment such as lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. In this chapter, we will study about the human and man-made components in a detailed manner. Human environment. Human environment is defined as the interaction between man as an individual with his family, occupation, and society. It is also related to various cultural aspects such as education, religion, economic, and politics. Man-made environment. Man-made environment has been created by man himself for purpose of fulfilling his needs and to make his life more convenient and easy. For example, building, transport, park, industry, monuments, etc. To bring an equilibrium between man and the environment, man has to study the distribution of population, availability of resources, development in technology, alternate means of fulfilling increasing demand created by growing population and other man-made features. Next, discuss the topic population. Can you imagine a world without human beings? Human beings are important to develop the economy and society. The Latin word populus means people. Population is the total number of people living together in particular place at the given point of time. What is demography? In ancient Greek, demo means people and graphic means study of measurement. So demography is the statistical study of human population. Population growth. It is easy to add but difficult to maintain. Population is a dynamic phenomenon where the number, distribution, composition are constantly changing. Constantly changing. Human population increase as babies are born and decrease as people die. For most of human history, birds have been only the slightly existed death everywhere. As a result, human population grew slowly. About the time of Industrial Revolution, it began to increase rapidly. Natural increase. Natural increase of population is the difference between the birth rate and the death rate. In fact, population is always increasing, but only in very rare case it may be decrease through natural or man-made disasters such as famine, landslide, earthquake, tsunami, epidemics, extreme weather condition, and war. Population change. Population change refers to an increase or decrease in population of an area influenced by the number of births, deaths, and migration. The population of the world doubled from 500 million in 1650 to 1000 million in 1850. The projected population for 2025 and 2050 is about 8 billion and 9 million respectively. Population growth. Population growth refers to an increase in a number of people who reside in a particular area during a particular period. Population increase when there are the more birds and immigrants. It decreases when there are more deaths and immigration. Population growth can be calculated as distribution of population. Population distribution refers to the way in which people are spread out across the Earth's surface. The world population is not uniformly distributed owing to the following factors: physical factor, historical factor, economic factors. Physical factors. Physical factors include temperature, rainfall, soil, relief, water, natural vegetation, distribution of minerals, and availability of energy resources. Historical factors. Regions with historical importance, river valley civilization. War and constant invention fall under historical factors resemble for population distribution. Economic factors. Economic factors, educational institution, employment opportunities, manufacturing industries, luxurious amenities, trade and commerce, other facilities encourage dense population in an area. Do you know? The World Population Day is observed 11th July every year. It seeks to raise awareness of global population issues. The United Nations Development Programme started celebrating the event from the year 1989. Density of population. Density of population refers to the number of people living per square kilometre. An area is said to be sparsely populated when it has a large area with a less number of people. Similarly, smaller the area with a large number of people, it is said to be densely populated. Population density equal to total population by total area. The world population density is divided into three main groups. The area of high density above 50 people per square kilometer, East Asia, South Asia, Northwest Europe, East and North America. Areas of moderate density, 10 to 50 people per square kilometer. The subtropical regions like Angola, Congo, Nigeria, Zambia in Africa. Areas of low density, less than 10 people per square kilometer, Central Africa, West Australia, North Russia, Canada, etc. Overpopulation, underpopulation. Overpopulation is a condition when a country has more people than the resource to sustain. Underpopulation, a condition where there are too few people to develop the economic potential of a nation fully. Thank you.